What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you the top 5 reasons why you should not buy Xiaomi Mi Notebook 14 laptops. Please hit the like button, do share this video and subscribe my channel. Xiaomi Mi Notebook 14 and Mi Notebook 14 Horizon Edition laptops have just been launched and has amazed everyone by its powerful configuration at a lower price. Xiaomi has risen to dominate the position in the smartphone and smart TV markets, and the company has well-earned reputation for selling high-end hardware at bargain prices. Can that success translate to the laptop market? And should established brands like Dell, Acer, HP, Lenovo would be worried about this? Let's see the reasons why you should not buy the Mi Notebook 14. Xiaomi is getting credits for using the 10th generation Intel processor, but it's not the latest version that these laptops are using. Xiaomi is using the Comet Lake processor that are based on the older 14nm process, while others are using the Ice Lake chips which is based on the 10nm process. Hence, you're not getting the cutting edge performance with the Xiaomi laptops. While SSD storage is any day faster than the conventional hard disk storage, the storage capacity is too low. Base model only gets a 256GB onboard storage, and you need to have an external hard drive to store more data. Book 14 Horizon, despite being a premium laptop, lacks a backlit keyboard. This is something in most of the laptops in this price segment of 50,000 rupees offer as standard these days. The trackpad is also made up of plastic, which doesn't feel as premium as the glass-covered trackpads on other laptops. In an age when security is of prime concern, the Mi Notebook models lack a fingerprint scanner, whereas Lenovo offers biometric verification on its mid-range Ultrabooks. Mi Notebook 14 lacks a webcam. Xiaomi said that it did this as there is no demand for webcams on laptops. However, in the new world, post-COVID-19 is relying highly on virtual online meetings, and a webcam has become a necessity. Xiaomi is bundling a detachable webcam, but it is an additional accessory that you need to carry alongside the laptop and its charger. So these are the 5 reasons why you should not buy Mi Notebook 14 laptop. If you neglect these reasons, the laptop is just amazing that offers very high-end specification at a very affordable price. If you want to buy this laptop, links are given in the description. Please hit the like button, do share this video and subscribe my channel.